Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, greatest common factor of three univariate monomials. So that just means I'm going to have three monomials, so there's no addition and subtraction going on here. And univariate means there's only going to be one variable in each one. We're not going to have x squared y or something like that. So in this case, they all have w's. So I'm going to do a quick factor tree of all of them just to see what my prime factors are. So I have 30 w to the fifth. So 30 breaks down to 2 times 15, and 15 is 3 times 5. So I have a 2, a 3, and a 5. And then my w has 5 w's, right? That's what that raised to the fifth means. So this one, I'm just going to write it in a line to try and clean it up a little bit, is 2 times 3 times 5 times w times w times w times w times w. You can leave it like this if you want, but I find that it makes it a little more confusing. So I like to rewrite everything that's at the end of my branches in a single row. Notice I don't put the 15 down because I broke that down again. It's only the bottoms of the branches. Okay. All right, so I have that. So let's look at 70w. So 70 is 2 times 35. 35 is 5 times 7. And w, there's only 1. So that's 2 times 5 times 7. That looks like a decimal point, sorry. And then last but not least, we have 20w to the fourth. So 20 is 2 times 10, and 10 is 2 times 5, and then just like we did with the other variables, there are 4 w's because it's w to the fourth power. Writing that one out, 2 times 2 times 5 times w, 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 w. Okay, all that's pretty similar to what we've done before. What makes this one different is since there are 3, I don't need a pair of things that are in common. I need one from every single one. Okay, so I'll show you how that changes here. Or maybe I won't. Anyway, so like for example, if there was a 7 up here, there's a 7, but there's not in the third one, it does not get circled. Okay, it has to be one from every single one of my 3. So looking at this, I have a 2, and a 2. 3, no 3s. 5, and 5 works. And then there's no 7s in actually either of them, and there's no 2 in either of them either. So I have 2 triplets here, a set of 2s and a set of 5s. And then I'm going to go to my variables. I have 1w, 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 and then I ran out of w's in my middle one, so although there are pairs of w's with these ones, there's nothing left in the middle one for it to go with, and it has to go with all 3. So I stop. So then I bring over my circled numbers from any one of my set here. So 2w, 5w, 2, 5w. It doesn't matter which one you pick, but you only pick one set and multiply those together, and we end up with 10w, which is our greatest common factor.